Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie a slip knot. Wrap the yarn just as I showed you in Chapter 1. Do not wind the yarn around the middle finger. Instead, hold the thread with your thumb and middle finger. Then, use your index finger to maintain tension. Hold the crochet hook with the hook facing downwards. Press the yarn with the hook. Rotate the crochet hook clockwise. Form a loop on hook. Press down on the intersection of the loop with your thumb and index finger. Finally, the crochet hook goes from under and back around the yarn, then pulls through this loop. Tighten this knot if the loop is too large. You can pull the loose end to make the loop smaller. Okay, and there you have it. One slip knot is complete. The subsequent actions for the slip knot mainly involve making a chain stitch. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.